Yeah, so Khamir is established in 2001, but this Kala cotton project is started in 2011. So I just go through. So it's a revival of indigenous cotton. So there is a value chain of farmers, gleaners, spinners, and weavers established in Kutch. But around since last 50 years, it was broken, and no one is doing the from farmers to end product. So we started that value. We started that value chain in 2011. So we established every value chain, from farmers to gleaners to hand spinning unit and handloom weaving, natural dyeing, and end product like stitching and marketing in Kutch. So that is the role Khamir is facilitating, providing design, market, and livelihood mainly to weavers in Kutch. So Kala cotton is rain-fed, short staple cotton, mostly around 22 mm, grown in Kutch. That is the cotton which is growing in Kutch and in Surendranagar, all over India. So that we are using. It is short staple, so mainly it is used in denim few years ago. But now we are making different kind of garments from which we will show in. So there is the hand spinning unit which we started in Kutch. This link was totally handled by actually Gandhian NGOs, Udyog Bharati and this kind of NGOs. But as the work was diminishing and ladies are not getting proper income, so they are leaving that and going into different fields like farmer labor and construction labor. But we are giving them ask them to come back in this and giving proper income. So they are we have started at least 10 women in one village, and we have our own natural dyeing unit in our office. So that we are doing in reviving. And Kala cotton is we are doing because there are no external inputs required. That is just growing on rain. So that is one. So I'll directly go. This is the value chain. I'll directly go into the social media usage which we are doing. So at present we are doing this, working with mostly these designers, and we are in touch with them through social media, through Facebook, through YouTube, through our emails. So these are the India's good designers who are working in textiles. We are making this kind of products, and these are the products which are developed by designers through using our fabrics.
Your target audience is designers who will use the fabric, not the end user.
Yeah, as a whole, we are started as a wholesaler. So we can supply not to end customers, but we target to do it to end customer through our website only. But somehow we are not able to get that much audience and customers which these designers already have. So that's why we are targeting to them. Like for example, these products are developed by us in using Kala cotton, and these are by designers. So and social media promotion for Kala cotton, we have also our website with all the crafts. So this Kala cotton project is one of the project out of 9 projects which Khamir has. So this is one product on our website, and this is our Facebook page. We are updating, and we are getting around if there are some good products, then we are getting around 1,000 hits in one day, 24 hours. So this is the bottom one is our products on some else website. So we are getting other website also to market our products. So that's why we connected with them. And these are the different messages, and WhatsApp of course is one of the fastest media, I can say.
Questions from the
What have you been up to on YouTube?
Yeah, we are uploading craft processes and craft movies on YouTube, Kutch craft process and movies.
So what is the kind of earning these women are getting now after you have collaborated with designers and social media and things like that? What it was earlier, and what is the kind of earning now these women are getting?
Yeah, so our main focus is viewers. We have establishment with viewers since 2001. So viewers are earning 15 to 22,000 per month.
And what is earlier?
It used to be around 6,000, 8,000. maximum 10,000. They are master weaver. They are also like the master weaver, and under them there are like 50 weavers. So we try to break that like that sink, and we try to do every weaver entrepreneur who can directly deal with any customer. So that is our main aim, to make every weaver entrepreneur. And the ladies group we started around 6 months back, and they are running around 6,000 with their home affairs.
I have a question. When you make designs, like, are you using any computer-aided design thing or something else? Are you design by your hand? And
Yeah, in textiles we are using computers. We are also hiring like designers,
okay,
and they collaborate. So most of the design is on the loom, like as we see in.
okay. So you
Well,
hire designers,
Yeah, we hire designers.
but are you getting trainings for those type of design and everything?
Yeah, so the designers came to like Kutch, and we established like a meeting or a seminar with artisans, and the designers describe their designs to artisans. So like group of people will be there, and they learn, and after that
Okay.
like sampling will happen.
Okay.
On,
Okay.
Thank you.
Right.